Oh, that is cute. Tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Show him your
JD,
bucket. You want some more?
Thank you.
Tell him thank you, JD. Tell him you don't need him. All right.
You Batman.
Tell him da-na-na Batman. You got stuff in your mouth.
Say thank you, Candace.
Here you go. JD, here. Show him how you fly. Show him how you fly. Ready? Okay, let's go.
You flying? He's flying.
Tell him da-na-na Batman. JD, can you tell him Batman? Okay. Okay, come on, Batman.
All right. How old is he?
He'll be 2 in January.
Too cute.
Yep.
Whoa, you
JD,
forgot
you
your
forgot your
bucket.
bucket.
There you go.
Honey, I better
Say thank you. You're welcome. Good boy. Here you go.
Mark. There, go. Here's your bucket again. Here's your bucket. Go tell him trick or treat. Up here, bud.
No, you get
This is Candace.
Candace, you say trick or treat?
Trick or treat. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Yes. Look it. Say trick or treat. Tell her. Say trick or treat. All right. Tell her thank you. There you go. Okay, let's go down this way, guys. Yeah.
Candace, Candace, turn around. Turn around and say, come on, JD. Say, come on, JD. Say, hurry up, JD. Candace. Say, come on, JD.
Ryan, show them how you fly. Yay! Yay! There you go. Fly. You make
Say, come on, JD. Where's JD at, Candace?
Go good. Flying.
Huh? Say, come on, JD.
Dave will hit this one right down here.
Say, look at all our candy.
I know. Come on, you two.
We'll do that.
Candace, let's go this way, babe.
I don't know if it is now.
Candace, let's go. Let's stay on the sidewalk, babe.
Tell her thank you.
Oh, JD.
Jump up.
Uh-oh, Batman.
Uh-oh, that's right. Jump up, Batman. Put it back in there. There you go. Okay. Come here, sweetie. Let's get out of the way.
Candace, watch your bucket.
There you go. Tell him trick or treat. Here we go. Okay.
You got it. Here you go.
Say thank you. Good job.
Trick or treat.
Oops.
Here you go, bunny.
That's cute.
You're welcome.
That is cute. That is very
Okay.
original.
Here, come
Yours is right here, buddy.
That one's yours.
What an idea. Huh. Oh, do you want to give him one? Oh, good boy.
Okay, come on, sweetie.
Put him in your bucket.
Thank you.
You
Yep.
bet. Hey, let's go to the storehouse. Come here. Cookie Monster. These guys love Sesame Street.
Yeah.
His whole room is decorated Sesame
Really?
Street. Yeah.
Saw?
That is Cookie Monster.
Who is that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Who is that? Batman, yeah.
JD, come give him some candy. Come give him
Say trick or treat.
Put it in his bag.
Who is that, Candace?
Put it in his bag.
Open your
Go
bag
put
up,
it in
Yuri.
his bag.
Here, put these in his
Open
bag.
that.
Give it to him and say, there you go. Put these
Uh-oh.
in there too.
Love.
There you go.
Say thank you.
Good job. One more. All right.
How old is he?
He'll be 2 in January.
Really? He's a little too. Well.
Come on, man.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say thank you.
Say bye-bye, Cookie.
Say thank you.